Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a Project Life process video using two collections from Pretty Little Studio. I'm going to use Savannah Dreams and Indian Summer. This is a layout from my Disney album. This is the day we went to Animal Kingdom. So there's already lots of patterns and colors and different things. And I only have a few cards that I need to add. I need to add one behind the photo of a hippo, which I will eventually move. I'm going to switch a few things around. I also have a card that has the Wilderness Explorer sticker, so I'm going to remove it from it's just a scrap piece of paper, so I'm going to remove it and put it in some pattern paper. And I don't have that much left over from this collection, so I did use the Indian Summer to help me out a little bit. And it also has some elements that will work well with this layout, like some leaves that you will see later. So I switched that picture of not the hippo. Well, yeah, I switched the hippo with the rhino because I plan to cut the rhino picture with my Lawn Fawn stitch circle die. And I had a circle in my stash already, so I'm going to put the rhino picture on top of that. I had some scraps of vellum, so I decided to put the sticker on top of that scrap vellum. And I actually use, again, my Lawn Fawn stitch die circles. I love those dies. I added a little puffy heart from Elle Studio and just call that a day. Try to keep it as simple as possible. This die cut was perfect for this photo. It's a picture with a bunch of flamingos, and I stopped myself before I added all the things because I do love my embellishments way too much. So then I found another piece of this kind of tie-dye pattern paper, and I decided to use that. Actually, it's not pattern paper, it's from the packaging. So I decided to use the Lawn Fawn die to make a circle. That way I can make like a little frame around the rhino, and then I added these vellum leaves, which are from the Indian Summer collection. And to glue all the things, I'm using my Tombow Mono Adhesive Plus. It's one of my favorites. And this film is kind of different. You can see the adhesive on the back. And also the Mono Adhesive Plus is, the adhesive is clear. So that might be a factor too. And I thought about adding something else. I thought I needed something more, but I decided to leave it like that before it became a circus. And I had one extra place where I needed either a journaling card or a filler card, so I decided to type the motto of the Wilderness Explorers in this very old piece of Pretty Little Studio. I forgot how they're called. They're not called tags or labels. They're from a really old collection called Treasure Island, which was really cute. It was like about pirates, and I miss them. I wish they would make them again. And I love the design of this card. It reminds me of those paint chips that you get from the hardware store, so I just kept it super simple, and I added one of those hearts from Elle Studio and some stapling and a little bit of washi tape. I did pull out some washi tape that I could use with that collection. And I wanted to type "The wilderness must be explored." And I was thinking about doing it with the Tombow Fudenosuke I use in my lettering, but I was afraid it would be too big, especially the word wilderness. Even if I break it down in two, it wouldn't be able to fit there. So I use my Dymo label maker Now, the one that I'm going to link in the comment below in the description box, it's not going to be exactly this one. This one is so old. I can't really find it, but it's going to be one very similar. And I do have another Dymo label maker. Actually, one of these embossing ones, I have two, and I have a regular one that I use for everyday things at home and school labeling. But I love this one. This one comes with 3 little wheels, and I haven't seen it in a while. The one that I'm going to link, it only has one that is not removable. But they're really good. And I added some adhesive, some of the Tombow Extreme adhesive, because some of these tapes are a little bit old, like I said. And I had some that were from the Smash collection from K & Company, and they were not that sticky. And sometimes they would peel off, so I would just, from now on, I can't tell which one is which, so I just add adhesive to all of those. And I got some washi tape from the little kit that I made last time. And I layer it with one of the word flags, a leaf, and a puffy sticker. And it's just my daughter making the wilderness explorer sign next to the statues. And like I said, I kept this super simple. There were so many pictures, so many textures and elements that I had to tone it down. We had so much fun at Animal Kingdom. I can't wait till this whole COVID thing is done and over, and I can recover from buying a house so we can get back again. And don't miss next video, because next video is going to be a layout that I made of pictures we took at Magic Kingdom, and it turned out really cute. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the next video, and turn on the bell so YouTube can tell you, otherwise they won't. I don't know why. But thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day. Bye.